Tips and tricks for JEE 2023. Don't waste your time on one question. Since it's computer mode test, exam will get automatically submitted after exactly 180 minutes and you cannot make changes after that. So use your time efficiently and answer the questions. And this is also not the pen and paper test where you can quarrel with the teachers for the extra time. If you don't get an answer to a question, then move on to the next question. There are two possibilities. First is you have solved the question properly and the answer is not matching, for which grace marks will be given to all the students, hence it will not impact much. Second is you have solved the question wrongly, hence it is best to move on to the other questions. Please don't try to experiment the questions with half knowledge. There is a great chance that you might end up wrong and get negative marks, that is -1. If you are interested in any one of the subjects like physics, chemistry or maths, give more time to those questions in the exam. They will help you improve your percentile. As you can see, this is my report card. I was very much interested in maths and I spent half of the time on maths and it helped me increasing my percentile to greater extent. This is a very common suggestion which most of us ignore. Even if you have 2 or more JEE attempts or exams in a year, your first attempt should be your last one. Yes, you have heard it right. You need to give your full best in the first exam and clear it. Because as the attempts increases, students will improve their performance and hence difficulties will also increase. This is my report card. In the first attempt, I scored around 90 marks. And in the second attempt I scored 150 marks. You can see the percentile difference in each of the attempts. If you feel the paper is very easy, then try to attend as many questions as possible. But if you feel it difficult, attend only those which you know surely. Because the way you feel the paper to be easy or tough is same for all the students. Let's hope for the best and work hard. Thank you for watching the video. Thanks for watching the video. Do like and share the video and subscribe the channel for more such informative content. Thank you.